Says Monideepa, we saw those angry protesters at the court, many of them, as we're saying, losing their money in this chit fund scam. Any sign of remorse from Sudipto Sen and Debjani Mukhopadhyay as they entered the court?
Debjani Mukhopadhyay's face we could not see at all because she had it covered with a blue dupatta. Sudipto Sen we could see. No, I do not think he looked remorseful, but that of course is subjective. He was really in a bit of a daze, and no, there was no sign of any contrition on his face. Clearly, he is also under huge pressure and uncertainty about what's going to happen to him. But let me just show you what's going on in court right now. You can see this police party. They are barricading a gate to the court, and outside are depositors who have come from all over the state to see what is happening over here. That side there are some Congress, Youth Congress people holding protests, and these are all depositors who have gathered outside to see what can be done. And let me tell you, they are also all demanding a CBI probe. आपका नाम?
सूरज।
आप क्या एजेंट हैं शारदा के?
हाँ, शारदा के एजेंट है।
अब आप क्या चाहेंगे?
हम आए, हम लोगों का पूरा विचार चाहिए, हम लोगों का सीबीआई तदन चाहिए, हम लोगों का।
क्यों? ममता बनर्जी ने तो एक कमीशन बनाया है।
हम लोगों का कोई कमीशन नहीं है, कमीशन नहीं चाहिए हम लोगों को, सीबीआई तदन चाहिए हम लोगों को।
हमारा कमीशन पर कोई आस्था नहीं है, हमारा सीबीआई तंत्र चाहिए।
आप थोड़ा आगे आइए, क्यों आपका कोई आस्था नहीं है मुख्यमंत्री के कमीशन ऑफ इंक्वायरी पर?
हम लोग निरपेक्ष तंत्र चाहिए, हम लोग चाहिए प्रधानमंत्री हस्तक्षेप करे।
ऐसा नहीं ये है, ये सारदा ग्रुप के जे श्यामल सेन अभी जे एडवोकेट है, इस सारदा ग्रुप के लिए
ये थोड़ा अनसब्सटेंशिएटेड है। आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
बनगा से।
और आपका कितना लायबिलिटी है? आपका कितना पैसा?
50 लाख।
आपका लिस्ट दिखाइए। This is a list of his, customers. These are depositors. Look at this, one name after the other, a huge number of names, all of them his depositors, and he says he owes them a collective amount of 50 lakh. आपका कोई deposit है शारदा में?
मेरे को 8 लाख, हमारा सिस्टर को 4 लाख। सिस्टर को हस्बैंड मर गया है, उसका इंश्योरेंस का अमाउंट इसका घुसा दिया।
तो क्या होगा?
अब क्या होगा? मर जाएगा, क्या करेगा? घर में नहीं जाता है, रोड में घुसता है, क्या करेगा? मैं
आप घर नहीं जा पा रहे हैं, अपनी বাড়ি যেতে পারছেন না?
না, আমি একদমই বাড়ি যেতে পারছি না। বাড়িতে ঢুকলেই মানে লোকের মার দৌড়, আমার যেভাবে হোক ওদের টাকা ফেরত দিতে হবে।
ঘর ছাড়া?
আমি ঘর ছাড়া, আমরা সব ঘর ছাড়া।
5:30টার সময় বলছে আমরা চিটিংবাজ, টাকা তুলে খেয়ে নিয়েছি। কি বলবো বলুন, কিন্তু ম্যাচুরিটি দিতে পারিনি। আমাদের বলেছিল 15 তারিখের পর থেকে, মিডল্যান্ড পার্কের থেকে বলেছিল যে 15 তারিখের পর থেকে নর্মাল ম্যাচুরিটি হবে। তারপরেও আমরা অ্যাডজাস্ট করে করে সবাইকে দিয়েছি টাকা তুলে।
So all of these are agents. Many of them also have money in Sharda, and all of them are demanding a CBI probe. দাদা, আপনি কি চান?
আমি চাই আমার টাকাটা ফেরত দিক। আমি যত টাকা ডিপোজিট করেছি সব টাকাটা আমি ফেরত চাই। প্রিন্সিপাল মানি যত আছে আমানতকারীদের থেকে নিয়ে 14 লক্ষ টাকা আমার ডিপোজিট করা আছে।
एक चीज बताइए भाई साहब, आप तो अच्छा हिंदी बोल देते हैं, आप थोड़ा बताइए कि आपने शारदा पे इतना भरोसा क्यों किया?
शारदा पे भरोसा किया, देखेंगे राज्य का मुख्यमंत्री, परिवहन मंत्री सब इसमें उठा पड़ा सब इसमें करता है सब। तो हम लोग इन लोगों का मुंह देख के हम लोग का थोड़ा आस्था आया जो ये लोग हम लोगों को पैसा नहीं मारेगा।
So as much as Mamta Banerjee would like to deny her party's involvement with Sharda, you heard these people say, all of them come from the districts of West Bengal. They are saying that they all saw the chief minister associated, the transport minister associated, several MPs associated with the group, and therefore they invested and collected money for Sharda. So they are all agents come investors, and they are in big trouble and they know it. But in the meantime, political hay also being made out of this entire situation. Literally a handful of Youth Congress people have arrived onto the court premises, and they have sat down and dharna. They are demanding a CBI probe as well. I will say some of this may just for the cameras. There are many policemen who could have shooed them out of the premises, but clearly they are under instruction not to do so. So these Youth Congress people have laid siege in a way to a little road around the court premises, and they are demanding a CBI probe. But I have been asking them that what about the fact that some Congress leaders are also apparently named by Shudipto Sen in his letter to the CBI. They are saying, show us proof. Ek cheez bataye, what do you want? What is your demand?
Here we are sitting for the cause of the common people because this government has looted the common people like anything by using companies like Sharda Group. There are other companies also. Sharda's name has come up only, but there are other companies also. We want a CBI inquiry into this matter. And moreover, when we were protesting over here, one of our friend, Youth Congress colleague, he has been attacked by the police, and we are demanding an inquiry over the police action also on our. So we have decided that we'll not leave this place and we'll sit here till somebody comes from the authority and gives a.
But I want to ask you one thing. You are protesting against Mamata Banerjee, but a letter by Shudipto Sen to CBI apparently names some top Congress leaders.
These are all propaganda of TMC. They are just trying to malign the issue, just to confuse the common people of Bengal, but they just want to divert the line.
One more question. Mamata Banerjee has announced the setting up of a 500 crore fund to pay back the investors. What's your reaction to that?
She is setting up many things for the last few years. When she was railway minister, she was setting up many things, but the common people of Bengal have not seen anything materialize. So once the result comes, then only we'll see. Otherwise, we are not going to budge from here, and we are constantly protesting.
There you are, making political hay out of this whole situation, saying that Mamata Banerjee has made many promises and there is no need to believe her promise on providing relief to small investors. Either Youth Congress people here sitting in protest outside, agitated depositors who don't know where to go next, and there are lakhs and lakhs of them, depositors and investors who had reposed their faith and their money in the Sharda Group because they believed that it was inviolate because the Trinamool's hand was over its head in blessing.